Fortunately, there are ways to protect your website from the SQL injection attacks. Trust no one. Assume that all users submitted data is available, so use the input validation to ensure that any dangerous characters not passed to a SQL query in a data. For example, email address should be filtered to allow only the characters allowed in a email address. Phone number should be filtered to allow only the digit allowed in a phone number, and so on. The next is update and patch. Vulnerability in application and database that hackers can exploit using the SQL injection. So it is recommended to keep the SQL version up to date by applying the security patches. The next is enable firewall. Consider hardware or software based appliances that help filter out the malicious data. Good choice of firewall comes with the default rules that prevent such malicious activities. The next is keep your secrets secret. Let's assume that your application is not secure, but implementing the encrypting or the hashing passwords and the other confidential data including the connection string that will help you to reduce the damage. For more details of the securing web application, you may follow the OAuth guidelines.